The GoPro Max 2 is here, and this honest 2025 review reveals if it's the ultimate 360 camera for you. This action camera simplifies the entire 360-degree experience, boasting true 8K video and delivering stunning, vibrant images and videos right out of the box with minimal fuss. Dive into its incredible ease of use, especially with the updated Quick app, making editing and sharing your unique reframed content a breeze across all social platforms. While it might lack some of the advanced features of competitors like the Insta360 X5, the Max 2's focus on simplicity and superior out-of-camera image quality truly sets it apart, making it an editor's choice winner. However, be aware of its poor low-light performance, a notable trade-off for its otherwise excellent daytime capabilities. For beginners, or those wanting a streamlined workflow without extensive post-processing, the GoPro Max 2 is a game-changer. Discover if this revolutionary 360 camera meets your needs, and find purchase links in the description below.